Hello friends, Arka once again, and I welcome you all to my channel. Today in this video I will share with you what is ceramic coating on car and bikes, why it is called nanotechnology, and every bits. Benefit of ceramic coating: it protects the paint surface from water damage, corrosion, oxidation and UV rays. Finally the workshop has opened. I am standing in front of Ceramic Pro Kolkata workshop. So let's come inside. Now you must be curious to know what is ceramic coating. Ceramic coating is nothing but a glass protection for the paint surface of your car. How does it work? Ceramic Pro 9-inch layer is applied in multiple times and it enhances the thickness and enhances the protection layer of your car. The first and the second layer of Ceramic Pro 9-inch bond together with the loose paint surface of your car, and on the top of last layer Ceramic Pro Light is applied, which preserves the shine of your car for a Now it is time for IR curing. In this, total 6 lamps are there of infrared ray, and this infrared ray makes the molecular bonding of the coating stronger. Coating significantly reduces the surface energy of the top layer, and the ceramic shield provides super hydrophobicity. Thank you for watching.